This is the MMORPG that I have been working on. The name is Eldros, and the update has been long overdue because I was working on making everything server side. Most the wrong thing I did before when starting the game was having everything client side, but now I turned everything to the server side, and that took a while, but now it is working somewhat. Still some bugs in there that I need to fix, but I wanted to show it off to tell you guys what I have been working on. So when you log in, open the app in the game and log in, or see the login page, you will see login or create an account. Later I would also add forgot password thing, but I haven't added that yet. But you press create account and then account name, password, and confirm password, then you create it, and then you can log in. I already have a test account here. I can log in if I remember the password. Yes, so I already have one here. If I delete that and create one new character, let's create a test character, and this is just a visual on what classes there will be. There will be warrior, mage, hunter at the start. Right now there is no mage weapon or bows or hunter weapons out there. There is no weapon at all, for that matter. There is only fist fighting right now. So yeah, so warrior it is. You create that and you have the warrior where it will state your name, the class, and the level you are, and the level will update when you gain more level. So when you double click that or press enter world, it will be preparing the world, and when that is done it will log you in, and this is how it will start. And I don't know if FPS will be there or you will be able to turn it on yourself with an option from here. Get game menu. Right now they're only resume, log out, and exit game, but there will probably be an options button later. But you will spawn the first time you create a character. You will spawn in this big room of house, and there will be a NPC called Hooded that you see right there, and he will be touring you around this world. But what you need to know is, in this world it's more like a grind game. You go out to hunt things and gain more level, gain more experience. The questing is just secondary. You can go out and do everything yourself, but the NPCs and the quest will be there to show you around the world. Like, go get that stuff, go talk to him, and he will show you different NPCs. So Hooded will be the main character, and you start with a main bag that have 8 slots, and there will be a chest you can open. Right now you can see there added a shader around the chest, so you know that you haven't looted or clicked on it yet. So as we click on it, you can see that it is being placed in your inventory. Right now you just get a bag, but that because you already have a bag, but that will be something else useful for your adventures in the game. And right now quest will be from the Hooded, and it will tell you everything, but the questing is almost not done. It's just testing purposes. It says his name, then it says hello, then you have mission, close, you press a mission button, it says mission, and it says go talk to Marek. Marek is a shopkeeper, and then it said this is a talk quest. Obviously that won't be there when the game goes live. There will be more nuance to that and more information. Then objective, it said go talk to Marek. Rewards, you will get 10 experience and copper coins 5. You accept that, you see the marker goes away and you have a text appearing text tracker, quest tracker on the left here or right here. And then we go out to Marek, which is located here. And also want to, or considering that I will be putting icons once you finish the quest meeting Marek, because the shopkeeper, you probably meet him more than once because if you want to buy and sell stuff. So automatically when you complete the quest, the marker should be appearing on the minimap or the world map. I will talk about world map, but yeah, when you talk to him to complete the quest, you will just click on him and you can see it's 1-to-1 now. But then you can also trade. You can see that he has stuff in his bag, which is not working right now. I don't know why, but you should be able to click. But right now they were working before, but not right now. I don't know why, but so you will be able to sell things to him and buy things for him. So that is that. So when you go now back to Hooded, you can see he has a question mark on his head, and that will be gone once you click on turn in. So you would get the 10 XP, and as you see, I got money, 5 copper coins. And also you can see on his head is he has another quest, and now you will meet more NPC before you go out and kill stuff. So this is just me trying to make a kill quest. So right now he wants you to go kill 10 rasts, and you can accept that too. And you can see on the right here that comes in. You will be able to accept more than one quest at a time. So another cool thing I have with the world map is that you can see there is a world, and wherever there is land, you can see it is gray. It's grayed out, and that's because it's like a fog thing over the land. You have to go to that place and explore to find out what that is. Right now you can see there's a boundary here. That's just a visual for me to I'll be working on this first region. So I call this the first region, and this is the second region, it's the third region, and it's the fourth region. This has nothing to do with how difficult things are. So you can find something difficult in the first region that you won't be able to do until level 50 or something. So this is really a exploring thing you have to do when playing this game. Another thing I thought that was cool I recently added was this. You can see there's a sprite is 5 coins, and if I move one away, you can see the sprite changes and changes and changes. That's cool, I think. And I don't have more than 5 coins, so the stack is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then everything that over 5 has a stack of coins. And then when you get above 25 coins or stack, then you will have another sprite that shows a bunch of more bunch of coins. So one thing I want to add to the game was food. So I think food in my game would be really good and really scarce. So the only way to get the food is to go out and hunt the creatures and get meat or cheese or whatever from them when you're looting. And some food will be better than others, and they will obviously regenerate your health. So at start you're not regenerating anything, so you need to be able to get some food so you can regenerate your health. And the simple foods and the simple regular foods that you will find out in the wild will be like 2 health per 2 seconds, and there will be more special food that give you 4 health per 2 seconds. So that is that. So, and that I think will make it the food more scarce, and people will buy from each other the food, and they will have their own value to them. So what I added also was a chat system. I don't know if I talked about it before, and what it does is the local chat right now I have only implemented has a radius that players within that radius can see whatever I type, and there's a chat bubble also about the player that appears, and if the player can or is in range, they will see that chat bubble. So there will also be things like world chat, where people will chat with each other no matter where they are in the world, and there will also be party chat, guild chat, and also private message chat. So there's a thing that I want to implement, but there will probably down the line when after I release to the PTR that people can test if they would like to. So right now these things, what I'm doing right now is just a local server that I've been playing and trying out the game.